Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this in the mail and I wanted to do a review on it. I haven't seen many of these on YouTube, so I thought I'd post this. So this is the Bulova stainless steel 97B186. So here is the unboxing. So you get the watch and you get some instructions, but we know no one cares about the instructions. So we'll go over some tech specs first. The case diameter is 46.5. It says it's got functions of 1 out of 1,000 second, chronograph, calendar. It's the material is curved mineral crystal. Water resistant to 300 meters. Movement is NN50. And we get the blue with the bronze, I guess, or copper. And this is what it looks like out of the package. Tell me in the comments if what you think of this watch. I never saw it in person. I saw the one with the black, not the blue, because we can't get the blue one here in Canada. But I really liked the black one, and I figured it would be very similar in the blue, just with a different color. So there it is. I will take it out of the little pillow here. And there is a little plastic there we could take off. I'll have to do that later. It's got some good weight to it. And oh my. It fits really well. I thought it was going to be tight on my wrist, but they leave a lot of slack on the, oh my. And there we go. That's the watch. Have a good one, guys.